Every 26 seconds, Earth takes a breath, a silent, rhythmic pulse beneath our feet, one we cannot stop, and one we cannot explain. What if it's not natural at all? Right now, as you sit, sleep, or drive, the ground shivers under you, like something ancient is waking up. No, it's not your washing machine, and it's definitely not your neighbor's weird TikTok dance battle either. So, what is it? Scientists first noticed it decades ago, a strange pulse, shaking Earth every 26 seconds, like a giant tapping their fingers, impatiently. It's happening in the deep ocean, it's happening under cities, it's happening under you, and no one, not NASA, not geologists, has any real explanation. Is it a warning? A countdown? Or the heartbeat of something we've yet to discover? Some say it's just micro-seismic activity, waves hitting the continental shelf, sending gentle shivers through the planet. Others whisper darker possibilities, secret deep-sea drilling, hidden military experiments, ancient machines. But what if it's something alive? Something sleeping beneath the Earth's crust, stirring, stretching after a millennia-long slumber. If Earth is alive, what happens when it fully wakes up? Would we even survive its first full breath? Imagine texting your friends, "Hey, Earth's about to sneeze. Bye forever. Ha ha ha." Or maybe it's not Earth that's alive. Maybe it's something inside it. Could an ancient civilization have buried something powerful enough to send shockwaves through time? The shaking is getting stronger, longer. What if the rhythm isn't random, but a signal, a countdown? If the final pulse comes, will we be ready? Will there be anything left to save? Or are we just passengers on a living planet, blissfully unaware that it's about to change forever? The clock is ticking, the pulse is beating, the Earth is waiting. The question is, for what? What if Earth's endless pulse isn't just a natural event, but a distress signal from something buried far beneath our feet? Could it be an ancient message, a forgotten heartbeat, reaching across galaxies, waiting for a reply? Or maybe Earth's just having a disco moment. I mean, after 4.5 billion years, wouldn't you want to groove too? But if it's a party, who's controlling the music? Scientists noticed. The pulses are changing, growing louder, sharper, as if something is waking up. If the ground you trust could betray you in an instant, would you dare to fall asleep tonight? Ancient myths spoke of it, an imprisoned force deep within the earth, biding its time, waiting for the perfect moment. Satellites detect it, AI predicuje anomalie. Yet not a single scientist can explain why it beats, or what happens when it stops. If the pulse shifts, it could unleash earthquakes larger than any we've ever recorded. Volcanoes could awaken, oceans could rise. Imagine calling your boss, "Hey, can't make it today. Earth's literally shaking apart." But a planetary reboot wouldn't just disrupt work schedules. It would erase history, cultures, memories. We are guests on a living planet. And maybe, just maybe, the host is finally tired of us. If the pulse accelerates, if the final vibration comes, will we even know it's over before it's too late? Listen carefully. The Earth is speaking, and what it says next could change everything. What if the 26-second pulse wasn't just the Earth's heartbeat, but the breathing of something ancient and alive? And if it wakes, what power would humanity have against a force older than time itself? Governments would scramble, satellites would fail, the ground beneath every capital city would tremble. Imagine your phone vibrating, but it's not your phone. It's the whole Earth calling, and you can't decline. One rupture triggers another. One quake births 10 more, and soon the dominoes fall. Mountains would crumble, islands would vanish, and no bunker would be deep enough. Old legends spoke of it, ancient prophecies written in forgotten tongues, warning of Earth's final shaking. You thought 2020 was bad. Try dodging lava while updating your Instagram story. But behind the chaos, something worse might be waiting. Something that wants the surface cleared. Animals will flee. Birds will fall silent. The air itself will feel heavier. If you heard the Earth's final pulse tonight, would you even recognize it before the world went dark? Maybe. Maybe the Earth isn't dying. Maybe it's evolving, rebooting, preparing for something greater. And the real question isn't just, why is Earth shaking? It's, what is it waking up for? Scientists thought they were studying the Earth. But what if the Earth was studying us? Every 26 seconds, a whisper. Every 26 seconds, a countdown. And when the countdown ends, will it be a rebirth or an extinction? Maybe Earth's just tired of us. Maybe it's like, new phone, who dis? Seismic monitors have caught something else. Not just shakes, but signals, patterns, a voice coded into the pulse. If the ground beneath you whispered your name, would you listen or would you run? Volcanoes awaken, tides rebel, skies turn a color unseen for millennia. You woke up thinking it was just another Tuesday, but it was humanity's last day, before Earth decided to change the rules. Earthquake, check. Volcano, check. Alien invasion, not yet, but stay tuned. Miles beneath us, a hidden force stirs, one not of human making and not under human control. Other planets pulse too, Mars, Venus, even distant moons, the universe itself beats in secret rhythms. Were we chosen to witness this awakening, or condemned to be its first memory, erased? Scientists detect a change. The 26-second pulse is speeding up. Tick-tock, the Earth is calling, and the real question is, will we survive long enough to answer? News alerts flood every device. The pulse isn't local anymore. It's global. The Earth is humming, louder, faster. Maybe Earth just dropped the hottest track of the millennium. Too bad it's titled, Mass Extinction Beats Volume First. Buildings sway, towers bend. The ground feels elastic. Reality itself, rippling under your feet. If the Earth moved like an ocean beneath you, could you stay standing, or would you fall into the unknown? The last theory broadcasted before the signal went dark. The Earth's core was trying to reverse itself. Compasses spin wildly. Birds fall from the sky. Satellites blink out. The magnetic north is no longer north. No GPS, no power grids, no connection, just you and the ancient heartbeat of a world you never truly knew. Hope you remember how to read a paper map, or how to find north using moss on a tree, because Google won't be saving anyone this time. Then, silence. The Earth holds its breath, the final heartbeat, delayed. One last choice, one last breath. Will Earth shake us off, or invite us into something unimaginable? Maybe survival isn't about fighting the Earth. Maybe it's about listening, understanding, becoming part of the pulse, instead of fearing it. Look at it this way. Maybe Earth's just updating its terms and conditions. And we forgot to read them again. The 26-second pulse wasn't a warning. It was an awakening. And now, Earth is truly alive. We thought we owned the Earth, but maybe we were just visitors all along. And the real story has only just begun. As Earth awakens, a ripple shoots into deep space. A silent signal, a message only the cosmos can hear. But in the endless black, who or what is listening? Somewhere out there, a civilization just dropped their morning coffee, spilling it across 100 light years of confusion. Maybe Earth was never just a planet. Maybe it was a beacon, a lock, a gatekeeper, now unchained. If you knew Earth was just the beginning, would you stay or would you run for the stars? A countdown appears in the sky, numbers ancient as time itself, ticking closer and closer. Governments collapse into chaos. People pray, protest, or disappear. Everyone feels it now. The clock is personal. Step 1, breathe. Step 2, don't Google end of the world. Step 3, find a nice rock to sit on. You'll want a front row seat. From forgotten mountains, from abandoned oceans, something awakens. Were we meant to awaken them? Or did we stumble into a story far bigger than ourselves? The countdown hits 0. No blast, no fire, just silence. You look up, tears blur your vision. Nothingness stretches out before you. Maybe the universe just wanted a dramatic pause, or maybe it's just buffering. Reality peels away. The Earth we knew was only the lobby. Welcome to level 2. Are you ready? Because the next heartbeat won't be Earth's, it'll be something else. You open your eyes, but it's not Earth anymore. It's something beyond. If the world changes, do we change too? Are you still you? New world, new rules, and guess what? No Wi-Fi. The sky isn't just blue here. It breathes, watches, waits, and somewhere in the mist, something stalks, silent, hungry. Fight to survive or evolve into something unimaginable. Congratulations, you've been upgraded to Reality 2.0. Starter kit includes existential dread and a complimentary panic attack. Massive guardians stir from their ancient slumber. Not machines, not monsters. Something sacred. This is just the beginning. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and step beyond the imaginable. Because this is What If Dimensions.